Hi, I am Mrs. Sloan, and I am the Science Department Chair here at Oak Park High School, and I wanted to introduce you to our department. So let me make myself a little bit smaller over here. All right, so here at Oak Park High School, our vision for you is that each and every student will graduate from Oak Park High School scientifically and ecologically literate. We have taken some time to develop some classes for you, and I want to show you the sequencing of those courses. You would start out in your first course would be FOSS, Foundations of Science. And you will get an introduction to physics, chemistry, and earth science, and science notebooking and lab practices. That will set you up for success in your next class, which would be biology. And here you can start to see leveling, CP, honors, and AP levels for biology. Your third course would be a chemistry course, again with the leveling. And then we have electives, which are primarily in 12th grade in physics, environmental science, and anatomy and physiology. If you want to know a little bit more about each of those classes, I would encourage you to visit our science homepage here at Oak Park High School. And there are links to all the different teachers, their websites, class expectations. This is just a picture right here that you can go to, or you can Google Oak Park High School Science. And you might have noticed that earlier on I said your math placement was critical for your science placement, and that is to ensure your success. So in order for us to evaluate data, we have to use math. And we want to make sure that you have the math skills in order to do the science skills. And also, we don't want you to have any gap years in your education. We want it to be a continuous flow. So let me show you the math that you need. All right, so you can see the coordination. This would be if you're coming to us from 8th grade, what math you're in, what to expect in 9th grade. So as long as you have had at least Algebra 1A, so typically if you're in Algebra 1, then you can start that flow of science classes from foundation to biology to chemistry and any electives that you want. So minimally, you want to be in at least Algebra 1B or Algebra 1. If you're not quite there with your math skills, that's okay. You can start this whole process, as many students do in their 10th grade, and still manage all 3 courses before graduation without any problem. So if you're starting in foundations, then the next year, depending on your math, you may be eligible to take AP biology, and the following year into AP or honors chemistry. All of those require, when you are maintaining a grade level, going honors to honors, we want you to have at least a B in your previous honors class. If you're going to do a level jump, if you're going to transition from an honors class to an AP class, we expect you to have an A in that previous year's courses. And all of this is spelled out in our guides, but I wanted you to have kind of an overview of those. When you enroll in Oak Park High School science classes, the first thing I would encourage you to do is to go to your teacher's specific website, look at their class expectations, pacing, and reference material. Then you will join a Google Classroom for that particular teacher where your assignments will be distributed. Third, be ready to engage with your teacher and your fellow classmates. And then fourth, please take advantage of all the 7th period supports that are offered daily, reviewing materials and preparatory materials for each class. And last, I just want to say I'm looking forward to see you soon. And I really want you to be successful in your science classes here at Oak Park High School.